but the 4 hour is still downward since last few days. It's still very bullish on daily and weekly, and I love that the weekly MACD is golden cross. We have MU earning coming up today after close. Let me just double check that. Um, MU do do. Yes, MU is after close today, and then we have economic data today. Nothing special. Some auction at 11:30. At 1 p.m. we have 2-year auction and 5-year note. On Thursday we have a lot of things going on. We have GDP report. We have jobless claim. We have PCE. We have a lot of Fed people talking, and then same thing again on Friday. So anyhow, NQ, same thing like ES. 1530 is upward, 1 hour is golden crossing, which is good. Dow Jones, nothing is special, is still in the zone. RTY, not a special. DXY is still inside the range. Actually went to the bottom of the range. That's good. The lower this goes, daily MACD is near dead cross. So the lower this goes, the more text can fly. Under 100 can cause a big squeeze up for text. So keep that in mind. 10-year note. We get the yellow bar on it weekly. It's coming up still on the uptrend, pulling back a little bit pre-market. Wix is green, but it's pulling back. It's under 1586, which is good as long as it keeps under it. 4 hour is golden crossing, which is not a good sign. Key level to watch is 1526 and 1586. Breaks either one can make a bigger move. Below 1526 we can go to 1479, 1373 and 1307. Once it goes to this zone, we can have a more squeeze up on market. But if it passed today 1586, expect more like pullback, then run up again. Same thing can happen again like yesterday. BTC 1% lower. Was strong into the close yesterday, but then right now 1% lower. What else you got? Apple, they just want to kill this name. The news just keeps coming bad about it. That there's low shipment, blah 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 blah. We just have to wait for the next earning, I guess. Pre-market looking bearish on the 30, 1 hour, 4 hour. So 224.69 if you can hold it. 222.95, 221.87. Need to get above 226.44 for running up to the higher level. Amazon, nice close yesterday. It's all about 195.14. Weekly MACD is near golden cross. Daily is very bullish upward. It's all about 195.14. Once it breaks that one, we're looking at 196, 197, and 199. If 192 can hold it, again, supports are 190 and 188. Nvidia, it was very interesting yesterday. Since first of all, it was just stuck around 116, 117 for a few days, and then suddenly market started bouncing up, and this one tagged along a little bit. But then the news came that Jensen is done selling, so Dow just squeezed it up very fast. Pre-market right now, it went to 122 and then it pulled back a little bit right now. 5 minutes MACD is near that cross. I like that the 15 is up. Need to get a 30 MACD golden cross, and 1 hour is kind of flat. We're getting a dark blue bars. Still very bullish on the 4 hour. MU earning is gonna have a huge effect on the semis, but keep in mind, this season and last few months, all the semis that reported earning, even they had a good earning, they went down. So just keep that in mind. Yeah. So 122, if it passed, we're looking at 122.76. Above that, we can run up to 123.87, 125.28. Supports are 120 and 118.68 in case it pulls back. AVGO making a new high, 176. All about 176.75. Breaks that one, can go for all-time high, which is around 185. Weekly MACD is golden cross. MU earning again, effect on it. 15 is up, but 30 and 1 hour is kind of mixed signal down. 1 and 4 hour is dead cross. So just keep that in mind. Coin, Nothing special. This one is just hover between 167 and 171 up and down. Once it passed 171 is strong. Then we're looking at 174, 178, 183. Below 167, 163, and 161 is the next level. And Netflix very strong, near all-time high. It's still holding up there, so it's possible to open and jump. 722.65 if it passed. We're looking at 725, 729, and 734 next major level. Supports are 717, 711, and 708 if it pulls back. 15 and 30 is downward. 1 hour is curved down, but it's holding up. So we'll see. If it pulls back, it does have a chance for a bigger pullback. If it doesn't, if it holds up and it jumps at open, past 722.65, it can run up crazy. Meta, establishing a range for now, made a new all-time high. It was going to go down yesterday, but then it recovered fast. It's hovering around 562. Key levels to watch is 560 and 565. Breaks either one, can make a bigger move above 565, 569, 573. If 560 can hold it, supports are 559, 556, and 554. Tesla had a nice few day run up, but the 4 hour finally is dead crossing. 1 hour is pointing down. It's possible either consolidate or bigger pullback. Next week they're gonna have report the quarterly sales report, so that's gonna have a huge effect. And then we have events coming out, earning, and also the event of robotaxi. So it's hovering around 252. Next major level, if it runs up, 254, 256, 257 was the high of yesterday. Breaks that one, can go crazier for 258 and 260. What for now, 252. If it can hold it, 248 and 246 next major level. Microsoft, this one showed a lot of weakness yesterday. If it falls down to 428, 427 next support, below 427 can go for 424, 421, and 420. I like that we got a yellow bar on the TTM squeeze, so possibly maybe goes for another runner. Once 1 hour is golden cross, past 430 and 432, can run up again to 435 and 439. Google, hovering around 162 for now. If it runs up, 163, 164, 165. If it runs down, 161, 160, and 159. 4 hours pointing down, but the daily is still very bullish upward. AMD is tried to tag along Nvidia yesterday, but then showed a little bit of weakness, not so strong into the close. 158.71 key level to watch. Past that one, 161, 164. If it 156 can hold it, 154, 152, and 151. SMCI still no report of their 10K. 4 hours dead crossing. Once the 10K comes out, it can go crazy or higher. 466 if it passes, we're looking at 472, 482, 480, 491. 460 if it can hold it, supports are 456, 446, and 440. SPY hovering around all-time high, 571.32. If it passed that one, we're looking at 573.39, 574.67. If it pulls back again, 468.97 or I'm sorry, 568.97 or 566.63. Those are the next support level. QQQ, SPY made a new all-time high, so expect QQ to does its same soon enough. But we'll see what's the catalyst. Had a very nice run up yesterday, made a new high. So it's all about 485.23. If Nvidia goes today more, this can push through bigger. 485.23 if it goes, we're looking at 488, 491. 1530 is upward. 1 hour is golden cross. I love this one. So watch 485. But again, 483 support. If it can hold it, 479, and those are the lower level supports. But that's pretty much on the major names. And let me see what else you got here. Gold is just ripping off crazy, man. This just it's not a big move compared to other names, tech names, but this is a low volatile name. The premiums are super cheap. So once it moves, the premium goes crazy. 246, 248, 250. Those are the next major levels, and it keeps going. What else you got here? Bidu and Baba, very nice run up yesterday, but again, losing all those gap ups. That's a big drawdown. Bidu, big one down. Baba, big one down. That's why I don't trust Chinese names. SLV, same thing like gold, big jump up yesterday. 29.51 is the next major level for going up crazy. Um, MU. MU earning after close. This one we are looking at 93 or 97. If 97 pass, we're looking at 100, 106, 111. 90, 89 if you 93 if you can hold it, 89, 81, 76. Me personally, I think even if it has a good earning, probably it's gonna fall. That's my. But at the same time, it fell already a lot. Like it was 137, it fell all the way down to 80. So it is mixed signal. We'll see. All right, thank you so much, and have a beautiful day.